So there you go, order type, buy, and that's going to get me 0.852 of shares in Barnsley FC. So I'll go ahead and press buy there. Hey, Chris here. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take advantage of the SportsBroker welcome offer and take a guaranteed risk-free £20 profit. First of all, we'll get on the laptop here and I'll just quickly explain what SportsBroker is. So basically, think of it like a stock market for football teams, essentially. So you can see here, there's some football teams. These are matches that are being played tonight. And basically, each football team here has a share price, just like a company on like the London Stock Exchange or New York Stock Exchange. And when a football team performs well in a match, their share price goes up, and of course if they don't perform so well, their share price goes down. Now the only thing you can do with the SportsBroker website is buy shares. You can't actually short sell. So if I show you this one, I'll just click on Barnsley here, and we can see Barnsley's share price is trading at £23.47, and if we hover over the sell button there, you just can't press it. You can only buy shares in Barnsley Football Club. Then if that share price goes up, then you can sell the shares that you have. So you really can only buy into a team and hope that their performance is going to do well in order for you to make a profit. Now, obviously, the match bettors that have clicked on this, you're not going to be interested in doing that kind of thing. That's more of the gambling side of it. However, if you're interested in completely risk-free profits, if you go through, and of course there is my affiliate link down in the description, which if you sign up to 20 cogs through my link down below, you automatically get a £5 bonus. As you see, I've got the £5 bonus there because I went through someone's link. Please make sure you comment below if you do sign up to 20 cogs through my link, because as I said in the previous video where I spoke about 20 cogs, I am going to select someone at random to win £20 cash sent straight to their PayPal every 10 people that sign up to it through my link. So definitely worth commenting. You know, I'll just pick people at random whenever I get 10 complete signups here. But yeah, this is getting into it. This is essentially going to be step by step on what you need to do to make £20 risk free. And all you need to do really, so you can see with 20 cogs, this was the 20th cog I had to do. And I thought it was worth doing a separate video for this SportsBroker offer, since there's many people on the Profit Boss channel that are into, sports, kind of match betting type offers. So with this one, it's literally as simple as 2 steps here. So sign up to SportsBroker. So you just click here. Obviously there it says retake offer £20. If I hadn't have clicked that yet, it'd just say take offer 20 quid. So you click that, then it pops up and you just press take me to SportsBroker. And that's it. You're going to be signing up to SportsBroker through 20 cogs affiliate link. So 20 cogs are going to earn a commission for recommending you to SportsBroker, and then they're going to pay you a reward there for going through their link. Now, all you have to do here on step 2, this is so simple, deposit and trade with £10. So we'll jump over. So obviously I've opened my SportsBroker account through 20 cogs. I have deposited, you can see here I've got £20 available in the top left hand corner there. Bonus funds, so when you sign up to SportsBroker, they give you £10 as bonus money. And all I need to do is place a £10 trade on anything I want. And now you might be thinking, hold on, Chris said £20 risk free. What if you lose that £10 that you're placing a trade on? Well, if you read the small print here, and it's always very, very much worth reading the small print, if you do this before the 21st of December 2021, you'll automatically be eligible for getting a refund of up to the first £100 of losses from your first trade. So just in case the trade that I'm going to place now doesn't make any money and I'll just lose my £10, you simply email first trade at sportsbroker.com and you just include your username, and then the SportsBroker team will refund the amount back to your account as cash, it says, within 7 days. So that's perfectly fine with me, and then obviously I'll just withdraw that £10 cash if it doesn't do so well. But I'm going to show you now. So I've got the £10 deposit in, and I'm going to click on, we'll go on Barnsley again, and I'm literally just going to press buy here, and there you can see value of shares, 23.47. So I want to do, so obviously £10 of it was bonus money, so I don't really care if I win or lose that. I'm just going to put the full £20, my tenner, and the £10 bonus money, and buy shares in Barnsley Football Club. So there you go, order type, buy, and that's going to get me 0.852 of shares in Barnsley FC. So I'll go ahead and press buy there. And yeah, it says your order's gone through. You can see my amount available has gone to 0 there. So let me just see, where do I go? If I go to my teams, open orders, there we go. So I have an open order there for, so does that mean it's not gone through yet? Okay, so it's not quite gone through. There we go. So your order was successful, so it doesn't take too long. You know, what was that, 10 seconds? And basically now, because I have those 0.852 shares in Barnsley, now I have the option to sell that. So essentially, Barnsley kick off later tonight at 7:45. They're playing Middlesbrough. Of course, they're rated as not going to be doing so well against Middlesbrough. But, you know, if they do, then I'll just sell my Barnsley shares, take the profit. And also, I'm going to get paid, and actually it's already confirmed there, it's in orange. I'm going to get paid £20 from 20 cogs as well. So that could be even more profit if I make £5 or £10 from the trade there that I've just done. If I don't make any money and I lose all of my £10 there, then of course I'll just email their refund team and get a full refund for it. If you have any questions related to this, don't be shy to jump on a live stream that I do here on the channel Monday to Thursday, 7 till 8 p.m. UK time, and ask me any questions you like. If you're not yet joined up to the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group, definitely check out the link below and get joined to that as well. As usual, until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.